Alright guys, not a whole lot to show today, but I spent about 4 hours running speaker wires to all of the locations in the cockpit. This is the new speaker wire. I wanted to replace the old. There's an arch feed, upper arch feed here, coiled up, and then another feed there. So no more snaking wires. The next project is to replace the Kenwood controller that was once here with the Fusion controller, the NRX 300. Also ran Cat 5 for my antenna. I'll have another video later featuring what I purchased for the Wi-Fi setup. Okay, that's it for today. I'm going home.